I'm giving you 10 must-know English phrases that can be lifesavers in any country, even if you don't know the local language. These phrases are simple, adaptable, and can help you out of almost any tricky spot while you're enjoying the world. Alright, we're starting from the airport and covering everything from ordering food to getting help in an emergency. Let's dive in. The first essential phrase is, "Where is the restroom?" Finding a restroom is a universal need, especially when you're traveling in a new country. If you're in a public space and need assistance, you can ask someone nearby. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Just down the hall, to your left.
Thanks so much.
Imagine you're arriving at an airport. Try to use this sentence. Excuse me, can you help me find? For example, excuse me, can you help me find the baggage claim? Excuse me, can you help me find the exit? This phrase is polite and useful for asking directions anywhere.
Excuse me, can you help me find the nearest pharmacy? Absolutely, it's just around the corner, next to the coffee shop.
The next phrase is useful for finding internet access, whether it's at the airport, a cafe, or a hotel. You might say, "Do you have Wi-Fi?" Sometimes you can even just say Wi-Fi and people will understand.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do. The network name and password are on the wall by the counter.
You left the airport and you're in a taxi heading to your hotel. Then you ask this: how much does this cost? How much does this cost?
How much does this place cost?
For example, you ask this: excuse me, how much does this cost to go to your hotel name? Then the driver might say, it should be around $20, depending on traffic. You've arrived at your accommodation. You've booked or reserved your hotel room in advance. You might say, I have a reservation. This phrase is helpful for checking in and making requests.
I have a reservation.
It's time to eat. You are at a restaurant. The server arrives to take your order. When you are ready to request food, drinks, or other items, you say, I'd like to order.
I'd like to order the pasta, please. Sure. Would you like anything to drink with that? Just water, thank you.
For example, I'd like to order the pasta and a glass of water, please. When you're speaking with someone whose first language isn't English and you need help understanding or communicating, you say, I don't speak the language. I don't speak Arabic. I don't speak Spanish. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
I don't speak Spanish. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
Great. I just need directions to the train station.
You're visiting a famous landmark like the Eiffel Tower and you want to have a picture of yourself in front of it. You can ask someone to take a photo of you.
Excuse me, sir. Can you take a picture of us?
Capturing memories during your travels. So you say, can you take a picture of me?
Excuse me, can you take a picture of me?
Of course. Where would you like to stand?
Right here, with the sunset in the background, please.
So you say, excuse me, can you take a picture of me with the tower in the background? You're sightseeing, it means visiting different places of a city and looking for something fun to do. Then you might use this phrase. Can you recommend a place to eat? Can you recommend a place to eat?
Can you recommend a gift?
And there you have it. 10 phrases to help you feel more confident and prepared for any trip. Whether you're lost, hungry, or need help, these phrases have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video and happy learning. Bye!